Hi everybody, it's Lori. Tonight I'm going to make you dinner in 10 minutes or so. We're going to have some fresh scallops, some zoodles, which is just some spiral zucchini. I've already heated up a little bit of some no sugar added spaghetti sauce. It has 55 calories in a half a cup. This is about a half a cup. I'm going to make my zoodles in the microwave steamer. I could make it right in the package, but this way it'll drain a little bit easier. So I've heated up my grill pan. I'm going to take a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Don't really have to do that because it's pretty good grill pan. A little technical difficulty, sorry. So we'll spray a little bit there. It's out of the way. And we're going to open up our scallops. Funny thing about scallops is they can live up to 20 years, but the average scallop lives about 7 to 8 years. And they swim pretty fast, and when they get tired, they stop. Nice sizzle, so I warmed up my pan nicely. Yes, I washed my hands first. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. We like that. Going to give it a nice brown grill marks on it. Probably have some leftovers. So that's that. And I'm going to get my microwave steamer ready. I'm going to put it together in the microwave because it's a little hard to lift with just the one hand. Okay. Chain of plants, technical difficulty. I'm going to just make it right in the microwave. Sorry about that, guys. Put a little hole in it. 4 minutes. Now it's time to turn my scallops, and I'll put some lemon and some seasoning on it. I usually just use a rub that I've made, which is some garlic powder, onion powder, a little mustard, dry mustard, and some steak seasoning. You don't want to use anything too salty because it'll draw the salt out until the last moment. So I'm going to take some lemon. These are almost ready. A little bit of seasoning. Put a little bit of Italian seasoning in there also. And in about another minute, these should be ready. My zoodles should be ready in about 2.5 minutes. I will then put the sauce on them. And there you have our scallops and zoodle with pasta sauce dinner. And we've been doing the video for 4.5 minutes, and it's got 2.5 minutes left. So enjoy. Hopefully y'all like scallops. I do. Have a good night.